here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Then what you have to do is to go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon and enable scan QR codes feature here. Like, you have this feature enabled by default, but if you accidentally disabled it, that's how you can enable it. So now you can scan QR codes just with your camera. So let's scan, for example, this one. And as you can see, as soon as my phone spots this QR code, it shows me the suggestion. Open website, show options to this web page, which has been found in this QR code. So let's try this out. Show options. Okay. And as you can see, it instantly opens this web page, which had been encoded into this QR code. And yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.